Hi, hey, it's me again. Welcome to a little side episode. It won't be long. We're just gonna make some protein cookies. He's doing some poses. I love making oat protein cookies because they're easy and they're kind of tasty as well, I guess. I use the my protein for this. Use code Yeti for absolutely 0% off. I'm not sponsored. Sorry, lads. I'm gonna add some peanut butter as well, quite a bit because there won't be any butter like any other fat stuff in it. So I like to add peanut butter to make everything stick together. A little bit of milk. I used almond milk, I believe. It was quite a while ago now, but I think it was almond milk. There won't be any flour either, which was kind of a mistake, I believe. Look at the tricep. Um, But yeah, I'll make them again some other time, and it'll be better. I had a bit of butter in the end as well, and here you can see Eddie saying vanilla extract is fucking incredible, and he's right. It's so tasty. A bit of salt really important. Uh, yeah, melted butter. I had melted butter because I felt like something was missing, and I was like, hey, in French pastry, there's never enough butter. Mix, 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 and as you can see, it was really quick. We're almost done, and I'm gonna bake those for like 12 minutes, I believe, which I think was a bit too much. I took in account oats that wasn't cooked, so the oat I used was already cooked. So I think 12 minutes was a bit too much. Maybe 8 will be better. You can see Grandpa on the right. He started chatting with me about I don't know what. Um, you can see my parchment paper had a bit of an accident, but it was fine. You don't need it to be holeless. I'm making like some kind of quenelle shape with my big spoons, and that's just basic cookie shape. I'm gonna smash them a little when they come out of the oven. I thought they would uh, flatten on their own. Here you can. Oh yeah, he's happy about the cookies. Oh yeah, they came out quite weird, all bubbly and stuff. And I think from my pastry experience, I think it's because I added butter and not flour, so the butter doesn't have anything to stick with. Anyway, bye.